In this video, I will show you how you can find the missing secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to find your missing secure folder, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Now just tap on it, and after you do that, it will show you this notification on the screen. Just select Show. Then after that, just enter the PIN of your secure folder. Then tap on Done. And after you do that, you will be able to show the secure folder after you have hidden it. Just like that. Now under Settings, if you have tapped on Secure Folder, but instead of that notification on the screen, if it showed you another screen with a More button over here, then this indicates that you have not created the secure folder on your Samsung phone, or you have created it, but you have deleted it after that. So in that case, you will have to create the secure folder on your Samsung phone. Just follow the instructions on the screen and tap on More and Continue, and after that, you will create the secure folder on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can find the missing secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.